Hey guys, what's up? This is my second video. I'm gonna do it. Today I'm gonna show you how to change a hard disk on a Dell Inspiron i5 3000 series laptop. I got a Samsung 860 EVO hard disk from Amazon that I bought it for 150 bucks only. And if you like the video, just like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for sure. Let me show how the weather is outside. It's so beautiful outside. I'm gonna get my tripod and the mic so I can be audible. Just make sure, like, before changing the hard disk, you gotta make a OS recovery of your laptop. And this is like what I used is OS recovery tool from Dell support. I got like my warranty voided, and they were not able to support me at all, and they were just asking me like $140 $129 just for this thing that I did it on my video. This is like money that I saved, even if I go somewhere. So you just also save this amount. If you want to change it for yourself, just go ahead. The very first step that you have to do is just shut down your computer and remove the battery from the backside. This is step number one. Let's do it. So there's a clip here. You can remove your battery. Referring to the guide of this laptop, basically, so the hard drive comes out only when you get the keyboard out, the optical drive, and then you can only access this back cover, and then you can take out the hard drive. Let's try. So there are some clips here, so you can just have a screwdriver in and try it one by one. Make sure like you don't put much stress, otherwise you will be in trouble, guys. I'm just trying it. One more, turn by turn. So I get this up here, you see, and then I'm gonna put it back. So all I got is this. So now we have taken out the keyboard. So at the back of the keyboard you would see some connectors of this will be going in. So what I have to do is, like you see the white bar, I'm gonna take it up, and then what you see the latch, you have to get that latch up, and now you can easily get the keyboard up. So I'll just place it on the back somewhere. So next is, like, I'm gonna take out some screws. So we have some markings of the screws here, so just make sure like you keep all the same kind of screws on the one side, so don't mix them up. So 1 2 3 4 5. So let's see. Next we have to take this one up, this connector as well, the same way that we did the previous one, and then we'll get the screw from the back so we can take out our optical drive. I've saved the screws here in this, actually the roll, so we don't get them loose. So the screw that I'm talking about, this screw that holds up this optical drive here, so I'm gonna take this one up. So if you push this up back, like you could see, the optical drive has come out. So after taking this optical drive, we'll keep it with the keyboard. It's the time to open the back panel of this computer, so we can just get an access to where my hard drive is. So this thing, like, I see there are 3 different kind of screws, like the one on the parameters here, and 1 3 here. Actually these are the second type, and there are 2 here. So we're gonna take each one by one, and we'll make them store somewhere so we don't lose them. Let's take the back out of from the laptop. Let's see, like, I'm gonna try this side. I'm gonna push and try a little force, yeah, so I could hear that sound, and then I'm gonna use the screwdriver gently, and yep, and slowly I'm gonna get this one up out so I can pull out all the clips. So finally I've taken out this thing up, and you see the connector that we have unplugged before, and it's off, and this is the back of my laptop. Let's see what I can do of this. So yeah, finally I'm into the system. So now I'm gonna take out these 4 screws, and these are for the hard drive, and then I'm gonna unplug the connector for this, and then gonna swap this with the new one. We'll see. Make sure you don't put much pressure on the side of the motherboard. I'm gonna say like nice. Now I've taken out this hard drive and I will put a new one. I'll just take the brackets out of it and I'll put it at the other one. So I've taken out this one from the old hard drive, this SATA adapter, so which goes into the motherboard. And now I'm gonna swap the brackets from the old to the new one. So now we have put the new one in the bracket, so let's put the adapter back and then we'll plug it in and see. We put back the adapter and we have already plugged it in with the motherboard. Time to screw back everything. So we'll fix this back and make sure like the optical drive connector goes into the right spot, this one, so we can get it out from the other side. So just be carefully get this one in and let's reverse it back then. So you can see it from the front that I've got the adapter connector from the front. So let's now screw it back again from the back side. So now I've done all the screws, 3 here, 8 on the perimeters, 3 here again, and 2 on this side. Now I'm gonna put this optical drive back in, and this screw which belongs to the optical drive, I will just close it up. Yeah, so now we have done everything up, and now we'll reinstall the operating system after we're done with the battery. So I'm gonna put the battery again back into it. So where it is. So I have my operating system that I have backed up in my pen drive. Now I'm gonna try booting it up. We'll start it and we'll press F12 when the Dell logo comes in. So just to check properly if I have installed it correct or no, I've just gone on the BIOS and I've pressed F2 just to check my system settings and the system configurations. So when you see the drive, I have like this coming up as 500 GB hard disk. So it seems like Samsung SSD 860 EVO is installed properly. Thanks for guys watching this video up, and I'm gonna install the operating system on it. So I hope you like this video. Just hit the thumb button and subscribe to my channel, please.